kahit magbomba ka, ng 5 araw, walang lumalabas. Bakit? Irreplaceable? Number 1, be in a space of giving. Which means mission-driven. Which means kahit saan ka, give ka lang ng give. Because this is one thing I know about life. Before you receive, you must give. Sino dito nakakita ng tubig poso? Bago lumabas ang tubig, ano muna? Kahit magbomba ka, ng 5 araw, walang lumalabas. Bakit? Wala kang binigay. That's why it has to start first with whatever you do, wherever you are, be mission-driven. Bigay-bigay muna. Sa totoo lang, lahat ng partnership ko, wala akong hinahangal. Like today, wala naman ako makukuha dito, ni pisong kusing. Totoo. Yes? Kung meron na kayo binayad, baka kulang pa sa venue. Lugi pa ako. Sana tinulog ko na lang, 2 oras lang tulog ko ngayon. Ba't ako nandito? Gusto ko magbigay. Now, kung hindi niyo man ako ma-bless, okay lang. Siya ang source. Magaling siya mag-bless. That's the first key. Universal law of compensation, contribute, give, mission-driven. Kaya nakita nyo, the new multi-billionaires right now are people who did not even put up business just to earn, but they want to help. O, Elon Musk, anong business niya? Energy. Diba? Pinamigay niya ang kanyang technology o mas yumaman siya. Repeat after, the biggest givers are the biggest winners. So if you're not been winning right now because you've not been giving, clear ako dyan.